This video clip presents how to benefit using the so-called timing delay feature before highlighting snap references. This clip also explains how to mark nodes and edges without using the timing delay functionality. When you hover your cursor over an element, node, or edge, Archicad waits a specific amount of time, and if you keep your cursor there, it starts the animation to highlight the given node or edge as a snap reference. This delay is set to 1 second by default. Its value can be modified in the work environment dialog, as you'll see in another clip. If you move your cursor away from the element, node, or edge before the highlight animation is finished, the element, node, or edge will not become highlighted. There are other cases when Archicad uses a timer delay to display some element-related graphic or info. These are the snap points, the info tag, and the preselection or related element highlight. When several of these need to be displayed, the timer delays of all of these are measured by Archicad in sequence. Snap points are displayed immediately. Then the info tag is displayed, after a default delay of 500 milliseconds. Then the preselection highlight or the related element highlight is displayed after a default delay of 1 second. And then the snap reference highlight is displayed after a default delay of 1 second. For example, when using any tool other than the arrow tool, only snap point and the snap point reference highlights are displayed. However, when using the arrow tool or pressing the Shift key while in any other tool, all the above are displayed. Snap points, info tag, preselection or related element selection, and snap reference highlight, in this order. The timer delay before displaying the snap reference highlight is double the default 1 second in two cases. The first is when marking an infinite guideline as a snap reference. The second is when making an intersection point of two snap guides as a snap reference. This is because it's a much less frequent occurrence that we need to mark such points and edges as snap references, and the cursor will hover over such points and edges rather frequently. The double delay guarantees that these will not be marked inadvertently. Finally, after you've placed your cursor over the desired node or edge, you can simply press the Q key on your keyboard to immediately mark it as a snap reference. In this case, the highlight animation runs in 200 milliseconds, and the node or edge is immediately highlighted and marked as a snap reference. You can define other keyboard shortcuts to this command in the work environment dialog, as you'll see in another clip.